Are you struggling to track conversion accurately for your Facebook ads? In this video, we will walk you through setting up Facebook pixel and tracking key events using Google Tag Manager. Let's get started. First, open Meta Business Manager and create a dataset. Once done, assign access to yourself. Now, click on the three dots and open Event Manager. Next, open Google Tag Manager and navigate to Variables. Click New, select Constant and paste the dataset ID from Event Manager. Setting. Name it appropriately and save. Now let's set up the Facebook pixel. Go to Tags, click New and choose Facebook pixel. Enter your pixel ID using the constant variable we created earlier. Set the trigger to all pages. Name it Facebook Page View and save it. Next, let's track the Add to Cart event. Duplicate the Page View tag. Change the event type to Add to Cart and configure object properties using the data layer. Add an event ID variable. Then set the trigger to Product Add to Cart and save. To track the vegan checkout event, create a new tag, name it Vegan Checkout, and select Initiate Checkout as the event. Enable advanced matching, configure customer data parameters, set the trigger to begin checkout. Save it. Finally, let's set up the purchase event. But this time at FBC Facebook click ID, and FBP Facebook browser ID under object parameter. Assign the purchase trigger and save it. Submit after completing all tasks. Now it is time to test everything. Go to Event Manager, Test Event, enter your website and perform a demo purchase. All events fire correctly. Facebook Pixel is now tracking perfectly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to comment your thoughts, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more expert tips on digital marketing. See you in the next one.